So the funny stuff, I actually wanted to give a review, and I started to speak and do the work without recording. So this side is kind of done already. Let's move on the other side, and then you can see here it is, the jacket itself. And overall, what I have problem with lint. It's little spools or whatever, little balls of fabric gathering all around jacket, and it kind of makes the jacket look dirty, not so beautiful. And this is funny because it's new. And what I want to do right now, I'll just test out if this $2 tool will be good for removing the lint. I bought it from eBay for about $2, a little bit more. Probably know it's about $4 or whatever else, but it looks like this, and then probably you have seen this one on the internet. This is like some sort of comb with little blades, so I would say like you can shave your jacket from the lint. And well, let's work here. Probably you can see here better, but this is kind of easy to see where the lint is. And you can see the little balls gathering around here. Everywhere. So this is kind of removing. That's good stuff. Then just take these away. Probably store somewhere, maybe in hand, and just work your way. Anyway, this is about it. So it actually kind of works, and then probably there are some little dirt left, but you can just use some sort of removing tool for dusts and hairs and whatever else. But more or less you can quite easily remove all the lint with just this tool. It costs really cheap, and it's actually rather nice to have this one at home if you have fabric that kind of makes lint on your clothes. So thanks for watching, and I definitely recommend use this little tool. Probably looks rather cheap as well, cost rather less, just $2, a little bit more. But overall it's a really good tool. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.